Hey everyone, my name is Marcel and welcome at the new series Automotive Design Talk. When we talk about cars, there's something which most of the people doesn't know a lot about. I'm talking about the time before an actual official release of the car or an official production. I'm talking about automotive design development. Definitely very interesting topic to talk about, which most of the people doesn't have a clue of. Even myself, when I was studying mechanical engineering, didn't really know the actual truth, actual reality which lies behind automotive design. Here I am after 10 years spending in automotive engineering and automotive development. And that's the main reason why I picked this topic to talk about from time to time. I'm taking my stand from a perspective of a design engineer, aka Class A surfacing specialist. Please sit down and enjoy.